Hi guys, this is Smita Dev, and today on our delicious journey we're going to do a nice interesting thali. I hope you guys are enjoying the thali videos that we've been uploading. So today we're going to make khimyaच्या गोळ्यांचा भात. We're going to have a nice simple bhindi ki sabzi and we're going to have bhakri and shall we make a koshambir or something like that? That'll be interesting, right? So quickly let's make first the khimyaचे गोळे. So for the khimyaचे गोळे, here I have 750 grams of mutton keema. To that I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of ginger paste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of kanda lasun masala, quarter cup of finely chopped coriander, half a cup of wheat flour. So wheat flour we are going to use for binding the गोळे, khimyaचे गोळे. And now we'll add some salt to taste. And now we'll just knead this mixture really well, mix this well and make lemon-sized balls, and we're going to fry them. So today on our video, we're going to have Sarita, who is everything to me. She's like my right hand in the kitchen. And today we decided we're going to have her also in the video. Come, Sarita. Sarita. Oh, you know what? She's such a comedian. I wish I could just capture all her jokes and share with you guys, but I will do that someday. अच्छा सरिता ह्याच्यात तेल घाल एवढं तळायला साधारण 1 वाटीभर तेल. So we're going to heat a cup of oil first. So now let's test if we've had enough of binding, because I don't want these balls to just wither away in the hot oil. So I'm just going to make one tiny little ball and fry it in hot oil. Now just after a minute or two, just flip the khimyaचे गोळे. फुटतायत का? हो ना? So I think there's a lot of fat in the keema. So we'll add another half cup of wheat flour. So that's how you adjust the binding into the mixture. So I don't want those beautiful khimyaचे गोळे to break or to wither in the oil. So I'm adding a little more extra. And actually cooking is all about trial and error and enjoying yourself while cooking, you know. So now I've added the wheat flour. So now just make lemon-sized balls like this. चलिए, तू पण करायला घे. And now just leave them into the oil, hot oil. Remember, the oil has to be nice and hot. Limbaच्या size. So I'm going to share an amazing recipe with this khimyaचे गोळे, which Abhinay's grandmother used to make in Kolhapur. Basically, what she would do is fry these keema balls like this in oil, not deep fry, shallow fry, and then she used to add coconut milk along with cashew nut paste and salt and khaskhas ka paste. And she used to just boil it for about 3 to 4 minutes, and she used to make khimyaचे गोळे in panda rasa. And it used to be my father-in-law's favorite. So you can imagine that layer of oil and the coconut milk. Oh my God, it's absolutely delicious and divine. And you have it with you know, we make brown rice by just caramelizing the onions. So that brown rice ka, you know, along with that, it tastes just brilliant. I'll show you that recipe one day very soon. I think that will be fun. So now once you've put all the khimyaचे गोळे, just keep the flame to a medium low and just let them cook aram se. There's no rush. Okay? And after about 5 to 7 minutes, you can just take a spoon and just flip the गोळे. Remember, these are really delicate. So there's another method also where you just mash the entire keema in a mixer grinder and then you make the gole. But you know, I think it becomes very chewy. My family doesn't enjoy it. So then I add, like mom told me that, you know, you can add gavasa peat to this, that is wheat flour. And that's how I've started making this. Now we'll make the rice for this. So for the rice, first, let's heat, saru sare akhe garam masale kad. Let's heat about half a cup of ghee. So just add whatever whole spices you have at home, like cloves, cinnamon, star anise, jaifal, cardamom, whatever is there. Just add that to the oil and let the oil get infused with all these flavors first. So here I've made some stock, which we're going to add to the rice. So basically I've taken half a kg of mutton. I've added ginger garlic paste, turmeric and little bit of dahi, salt, a liter of water and just pressure cooked it till I got all the juices, like a nice flavorful stock. Okay, we're going to add this to the rice. I've also added coriander, finely chopped coriander, because you know coriander gives a beautiful fragrance to the rice. So we'll just wait for this to infuse, all the spices to infuse. Sarita ata kanda ghaluya त्याच्यात. So here we're going to add 2 onions that are sliced and we're going to saute them till they are soft, pink and translucent. आणि आपण तांदूळ किती घेतला बासमती? अर्धा किलो. सरू कांदा वगैरे परतून होईपर्यंत जरा पटकन भाकरीचं पीठ मळून घे. हां, आपण मस्त भाकरी पण करूया आज.
कोणतं घेऊ? ज्वारी?
ज्वारी पण चालेल. हां, ज्वारी घे. सो नाउ फॉर द भाकरी वी आर टेकिंग हाफ अ kg ऑफ ज्वार आटा. सरिता घाल, अर्धा किलो पर्यंत घाल. You never add salt to, I never add salt to the bhakricha peat or to the atta, to the dough. We're going to add hot water. So now, kiti ह्याच्यात 2 cup आहे पाणी. So we're going to add 2 cups of hot water to this atta. As in how the khimache goya are turning golden and brown, you start removing them from the kadhai, okay? So now the onions are nice and translucent. We'll add half a teaspoon of ginger paste, half a teaspoon of garlic paste. Now why we're adding less is because we're going to add the stock, which is already flavored with all the spices and the ginger garlic paste and coriander. Now we'll add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to this, a tablespoon of red chili powder, Sarita, Kolhapuri masala, and 2 tablespoons of kanda lasun masala आणि तांदूळ दे. Just mix this well. Keep the flame on a medium to low. Now add half a kg of basmati rice that has been washed and soaked for half an hour. Now here I'm just removing the mutton from the stock. Saru 1 liter pani पाहिजे. Just mix this well. Garam pani घ्या. Now we'll add the stock. Now the stock along with hot water should be about a liter, double of the rice. Okay. So the best part about this khimacha gulacha bhat is that it is nice and moist, the rice. It's not very, separate grain. I've just asked her to check the salt. Kami hai na? Yeah. So add half a cup of freshly chopped coriander. Now adjust the salt. Since I am a vegetarian, I couldn't have it, but I'm going to add salt now. Now we're going to give this a final stir, and on a medium to low flame, cook till the rice is almost done to 90%. Okay, and after that we're going to add these keema balls, cover it and cook it till it's done. So now we are going to make bhindi ka sabzi. For that I have taken 1 inch of ginger, about 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. Now to this we are going to add 10 green chilies. Okay, and 3 to 4 dry red chilies. And now just grind it to a very coarse paste with no water in this. I to prefer to crush it with a mortar and pestle. So the rice is almost done. There's a little layer of water below. So just mix this well. And now we'll add the gore gal. Just gently add the golas. And now cover this and cook till the rice is done. Remember, it's going to be moist, okay? Now we'll make the bhindi chi bhaji. Heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. सरू आता ह्याच्यात जिऱ्याचं फोडणी घालून घेऊया. है ना, छान लागेल जिरं. मग तू गरम गरम भाकऱ्या बनव हां आमच्या सगळ्यांसाठी. इमॅजिन टुडे वी गोना हॅव मस्त भाकरी अँड ह्याची भाजी, भेंडीची भाजी. So just splatter a teaspoon of cumin seeds first. Now add 2 tomatoes that are finely chopped. And we are going to add the crushed ginger, garlic and chilies to this. Saru हे घाल. चमचा घे. हा बाई इथे आहे. असं घालून. Just saute this masala for 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water to this. And we have to cook till the tomatoes are soft and done. तर आता ही भेंड्याची भाजी आपण सिक्वलला डॉक्टरकडे घेऊन गेलो होतो तेव्हा खाल्ली होती ना पुण्याला. So we had gone to Pune to we had taken my dog Sequel to a vet over there, and after waiting for hours over there and after the treatment was given to us, we were so hungry. There was little quaint little khanawar on the outskirts of Pune, and we had this bhendachi bhaji with garam garam bhakri, ठेचा आणि कांदा. Oh my god, it was just divine. हो ना ग, मस्त झालं होतं. Now here I've got 750 grams of bhindi which are washed, pat, dried and cut into 1 inch in length. We're going to add this to the masala. Just mix this well. So now the moment you add salt, the vegetables tend to sweat and the stickiness in the bhindi will start coming out. But don't worry, once the bhindi is cooked, it will all go off. Now add a cup of finely chopped coriander and just squeeze lemon. Lemon also reduces the stringiness in the bhindi. So I'm adding juice of 1 lemon, which is about a tablespoon and a half. आणि 2 चमचे साखर. And now to this we'll add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Give it one final mix and cook the bhindi. You know, it's slightly sweet, tikha, khatta. Chan this na? Just taste it. मस्त ना. सी आता भाकऱ्या राहिल्यात ना फक्त. So our thali is ready. We are serving the bhendi chi bhaji, the pulao along with some raita. ह्याच्यावर जरा कोथिंबीर घाल and भाकरी, गरम गरम भाकरी. Nice moist rice. Nice. So our thali is ready and you have to be a little careful when you're making the keemaचे गोळे. I won't lie to you. It's a little difficult if there's too much of fat into the keema. Then it tends to, the keemaचे गोळे tend to wither. So just take one first, see, test it, and then you can make the keemaचे गोळे with the remaining batter. And now we're going to eat this garma garam thali. And Davya, so try this recipe, let me know, and keep watching Smita Deo.